I say I feel invincible. It's 100 niggas in the spot. I won't keep going. It's 85 just to walk on. I don't talk to these niggas.
So hello everyone, this is a basically solution video when you are using the OBS Studio. When recording screen, you cannot hear the sounds of YouTube, and you cannot also hear the sound of the Google Meets or Zoom meetings. When you are recording these things, you cannot even hear the sounds of yourself also. Basically, in many videos, it is shown the wrong things there. So I have to basically correct those things. That's why I'm making these videos. There, if you go to this zone, that if you go to sound section, control panel, here you have to put the among these things once off, and in recording you have to put this off and select this as default. But for my case, not only for my case, for everyone's case, this is not the actual solution. The actual solution lies in the systems. It actually lies in the settings area. So let me tell you one more important point. Then what it will be if you use the method shown in the YouTube. Like if you go to the control panel and set all those things off. So what it will do, it will not take audio input from your Bluetooth headset. It will take the audio from direct built-in mic in your laptop. So what you have to do, you have to go to the settings and you have to go to the sound settings. And here at last, here you have to change the things. As you can see, you have to put your headset sections here. It will be first, for your case it will be default, and for also here it will be default, but you have to select both the cases at headset and here also headset, whichever you are connecting. For system you cannot change it, it is always default, and for the it will come automatically if we set these things at headset. And at first, let me show you all the options that I have enabled. There are, as you can see, 4 options: audio input capture, audio output capture, desktop audio, and mic. For your case, it will be 2 things: desktop audio and mic. Go and watch some video how to access others those things. The audio output capture, you have to put it at headset, and free AG audio, what it is shown. For your case, it will be, I think, for your case, these 2 options will not come, only one option will come. If these 2 options come, then put the longer thing, that means hands-free AG audio. And also for input capture, use this. And let me show you the advanced properties. Here you can see all the things are set as monitor off. I have not changed anything. You have also to put all the things as monitor off. That's it. If you go to YouTube and put some YouTube video, you can hear what it actually says.
के लोग हैं
See,
मैं भाग रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने इनके इस वर्क
for my case,
पीट दिया है
it is also showing and it is
अब आप
recording,
सोच रहे
and I
होंगे कि
can
ये
also
कट
hear
कैसे
the
गया
sound
तो आओ
in
इसको
my headset, what it
शुरुआत से
says.
देखते हैं
So I like to add one more thing. Like now I have the DaVinci Resolve open, and if you can see here, here is the audio track, and if I simply open this, it will not giving me any output, right? So every time when it is not working, you have to go to the same setting that I have shown you here, sound section, app and volume. Here DaVinci Resolve, as you can see, it is set as default, but you have to put it as your headset, whichever you are using. Then only it will give you sound. Now if I play this here, so that's all for this video.